delegates are similar to function pointers in C++. So a delegate is very similar to, say, an alias from one method to another name. So we can go ahead and see a very quick example. So let's go ahead and assume that we have this static method, static string, and we'll just do reverse string. So it's a very simple method, string, some string. So this method takes in a string, we'll reverse it, and then return that reverse string as a string. So we'll go ahead and say string new string is equal to new string, and then we'll just take in some string, reverse it, and then we need to convert that to an array, and then we just go ahead and return new string. All right, so this is a very simple method. It's a static method which returns a string just named reverse string. So we can go ahead and test this. Let's go ahead and console write line, and we'll just do reverse string and then hello, for instance. So now when we run this, it's going to print out OLLEH. Great. Now what if we didn't want to have to type in reverse string all the time? So now we can go ahead and create a delegate, public delegate, and then string reverse, and then, well, actually, we probably don't want to name it reverse because we already have reverse. We'll just say my reverse, and string some string. All right, so we have this kind of looks like a method, and if you've programmed in C++, this kind of looks like a function prototype, but really this is a delegate method. And so now we can go down here and we can say oops, I should probably put this as a capital M just to follow the naming convention. So I will just go ahead and say my reverse, and then just do rev is equal to reverse string. New reverse string. And so now rev or reverse string are the same method. So now instead of saying reverse string here, I can say rev, and it will automatically know that, hey, that's some string. This method returns a string. This delegate says that it returns a string also. It takes in some string. And now if I run this, everything will work exactly the same way. So I can reverse a string by either calling my reverse string method or by calling my rev as the method name.